In this tutorial I will show you how to make text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Go to File, place Embedded and select your background. Choose Type tool. Type your text. Hold Ctrl key and click on thumbnail of the text layer. Create a new layer. Now hide this layer. Choose one of the selection tool. Right-click on it and choose Make Work Path. Click OK. Now choose one of these brushes. Opacity and flow 100%. Now hit Enter multiple times. Then press Delete key from the keyboard to delete the path. Right-click on this layer to select the blending option. Add drop shadow. Click OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.